At Actylis, we understand that one size never fits all, especially in biopharma manufacturing. That's why we offer custom buffer solutions designed to meet your exact process specifications with unmatched quality and reliability. With GMP-compliant facilities in Limerick and Montreal, we deliver scalable, high-purity custom buffers, tailored for your upstream, downstream, or final formulation needs. We utilize water for injection and follow the ICH Q7 quality framework, ensuring regulatory compliance and batch-to-batch consistency you can trust. By allowing Actylis to handle our customers' buffer manufacturing, we have delivered hundreds of thousands of dollars in cost savings. And our custom project intake process allows for a rapid turnaround time for first batch delivery. From formulation to final fill, Actylis is your partner in accelerating your process by removing bottlenecks, integrating with your timelines, and maintaining your quality standards. Let's build something better together. Visit actylis.com to get started. Actylis, unique supply, simplified.